All right, guys, if you hold XRP, if you hold ADA Cardano, or if you hold Ondo Finance, I think my buddy here, you guys probably know him, Oscar Ramos, I think we both hold all three of these.
We have,
Yeah.
for sure. What's up, fam?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Glad you guys could come back to the channel. XRP Cardano holders, Ondo holders, we've got some special stuff for you in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe both to this channel and Oscar Ramos's channel. I'll leave a link down below in the description for that. And we're going to dive into some news about all three of these, where we are right now, where we're heading. And we're actually going to start with Ondo. So Ondo Finance had some massive news today, Oscar. And with the market pullback, we're always watching, like, what's the smart money doing, right?
Absolutely.
What sort of things do you look for? And we're going to get into what one particular whale decided to do today with Ondo.
You know, guys, you can buy anything you want in crypto. You can just ignore crypto, but I'm not gonna just leave this community, go out and just miss this opportunity. RWA, real world assets, HBAR, your Ondo, specifically those two, right? One thing they have in common: BlackRock. I want to be where the big money is, the trillions. That is why whales are buying. And thanks to Zach, actually, because, you know, we were having a conversation months ago, and he's like, have you checked Ondo? And I've been buying ever since before $1, and then it passed $1 plus, and I'm like, let's go. So I like it. Definitely go ahead and do your research on that one. Go to their website. You will see a professional. Everything looks really nice. And Zach will tell you what happened.
Yeah, a week ago, they actually set their new all-time high. They almost got to $2. But here today, we had the pullback in the overall market. Ondo wasn't immune to it, right? Like, it felt the heat a little bit too. But we had a whale today, guys. Go ahead and spend $17 million to buy the Ondo dip. Absolutely insane. So Spot On Chain was all over this.
Wow.
This whale created a new wallet today. 4,611 ETH buy came in on Ondo. Average price of $1.55. That makes us feel pretty good buying it under $1.
I mean, it just comes to show that if you buy at 170, even 190, and if right now it drops, it's okay. Don't panic. I mean, just let the price run and flush, right? Because there's always going to be whales coming in and buying the dip.
Yeah, man. And what this does, guys, I mean, obviously, people watch this, they track it, we see it on X. It gives investors confidence, right? It gives retail like us confidence, but it also gives bigger institutions confidence too when they see these big whale purchases. So Ondo Finance, I think when we talk about the RWA narrative, that's my number one play. I still like Chainlink quite a bit. You know, Chainlink is in that RWA narrative. It really hasn't moved as much as I think it should as of late, but Ondo's my big player there, one of my big winners. But this is an asset we've been watching go absolutely nuts. XRP. We came back down below $2, but look, Oscar, the whales have come in.
Lock in!
Big time.
Lock in.
218. We are back up just like that. That's huge. I mean, last check, it was $1.99. Here we are. Whales are stepping in. Where do you see us going here? I mean, do we need this pullback? Is this normal? Where's XRP going from here?
Yeah, we had a conversation a couple hours ago. So we're looking at the $2 level, at the 186 level, and at the 146 level. Immediately, I got comments saying, we're going to go to 50 cents, Oscar. I'm like, relax. We're not going that low until we meet and surpass, or like in this case, break down this first levels of support. So as of right now, there's a lot of whales investing because they want to buy. And when everybody says we're going to go lower, guess what happens? Probably it's not going to go lower because that's what shorts and longs are expecting to get in and to crush some shorts, because that's when the pumps come. And that's exactly what happened right there, because the price was 1.999 and right now look at it. So it's above like 20 cents. So there's so much bullish. Even XRP and Stellar, they're all about RWA as well. So I think this whole concept that you're getting here today with us guys, with Ondo and XRP and more, just makes a lot of sense that there's more big institutional investors coming in.
Yeah, and just a reminder, guys, we got a lot more for you in the video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. We're going to get to Cardano, a little bit more here on XRP too. Appreciate everybody rocking with us. And again, there's a link down below to Oscar's channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. There's also a link down there to XT Algo. And if you guys had XT Algo, if you had it in your back pocket 33 days ago, you would have got a momentum up, which is essentially a buy signal, at least a momentum up that something is brewing here at 56 cents. XT Algo, that is my software, my company, called it. Look at that. Since that time period, we're up almost 300% from that momentum up signal to where we are right now. You guys can get access to the same tools I'm using, link down below in the description. But Oscar, we're waiting for the next big catalyst, man.
Yeah.
Like, we're waiting for the next big pop. Where's it going to come? Is it going to come by way of potential XRP ETFs? Is it going to come by way of a Ripple stable coin? Is it going to come, on something with Ripple versus SEC? I know we've got an important date coming up in January, January 15th, the deadline for the SEC to appeal. Where do you think we're heading here as we go into 2025?
That's the beautiful thing about, crypto, because you never know. It happens, and Ripple USD, our USD, can be approved tomorrow, and then that's a big news, right? We're also expecting some new addition for the CFTC chair. We still don't know, right? Yeah. We now have the SEC. We're waiting on who's going to be that CFTC. It still doesn't have the big weight like the SEC, but still it's going to be important. So right now, as we are approaching, the holiday season and the end of the year, I'm expecting maybe a cooling period. Prices already brew all the way, as you mentioned, 300%. I like that. Why don't we just chill for a while, then re-energize, buy the dips, and then continue next year?
Would you like to see us kind of hang right in this range, like this 219?
100%. I mean, I was looking on X, Cup. It's another content creator, somebody on X. He's
Alex Cup.
Yeah. He's like, oh, a $2 bad day for XRP. I must be dreaming.
Right.
Ironic. $2 price for XRP. That's a bad day for XRP? Any day of the week.
We wouldn't have said that a month ago.
Exactly.
We wouldn't have said it.
That's what I would say.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's turn the page and take a look at the overall market and then jump into Cardano a little bit. Yeah, guys, the whole market pulling back. There's opportunities everywhere. Cardano's had its crazy run for sure. It's a little bit below $1. But right now, I think Cardano's another one, man, just kind of coiling up, getting ready. Yes, I mean, we came from 32 cents all the way up above $1.20. And Cardano's got a lot going for it, too. Charles Hoskinson, obviously, a lot of people think he could be at the forefront in some capacity with the new regime coming in, with Trump coming in and Paul Atkins coming in as the new SEC chair. They're said to be forming a crypto alliance, a crypto committee.
Yeah.
If Hoskinson is part of this, how big is that for Cardano?
I mean, when I think about my crypto heroes, the people that I look out to, and I just kind of like think about, okay, what are they building, right? We got Hoskinson, we got Brad Garlinghouse, Brian Armstrong, and we have other ones, right? Stellar CEO and more. So Charles knows the industry in and out. He's been here in the game for so long. Vitalik as well. So my opinion, I think he's one of the most outspoken people that we have in the industry. And he already met with, maybe different people in Congress and of course in the Trump administration. So Cardano as a price and as a project, it's going to do well.
Yeah.
No matter what. We went at $3, right? 2021. So we're going back to $3. Same as other ones like Algorand. We probably may not reach like Ethereum market cap per se or Solana, because Solana is still a big player, but we're going to go back up to that, 60, 50, 70 billion market cap. Yeah. Why not? I think it's just going to be amazing. Like Elon Musk, Dogecoin, the influence he has, and everybody knows him. Maybe Cardano with Charles is still going to be extremely important for Web3 crypto people. But the more the public knows Charles, because he knows how to speak, he knows how to convey and kind of like tell you what happens, right? In a very professional way. Let him have the mic to address the public. And that's when people are going to be like, who's this guy? What does he own? What is he building? And at that moment, I think we're going to have more interest, retail, and you guys will be the judge.
A breakthrough moment. Yeah, for sure. I mean, two other things on Cardano, man. And this goes back to XRP. So he's rekindling the relationships with Brad Garlinghouse, with Ripple, talking about Charles Hoskinson.
He met with David.
That could be big. I mean, there could be something big. Hoskinson went on his live stream, said, hey, you know, they could provide liquidity for us. We can help with smart contracts. There could be something big brewing there. And there are some major rumors that potentially Cardano could be the blockchain that is the blockchain that puts our voting system in the United States on the blockchain. If that were to happen, and this is something I think Trump has talked about, I think he would be very open to hearing about this. If our 2028 elections happen on the Cardano blockchain, how high could ADA go? I don't even want to guess. I mean, but that could be massive. Yeah, that could be massive.
No, yeah, I mean, I think right now that's really the dream scenario. And the only thing I worry about, Zach, is am I ready for that dream scenario?
Yeah.
Because it can happen, but you own zero Cardano.
Right.
Why does that help you?
Right.
Nothing.
True.
I mean, you just have to be prepared. So always buy what you can afford losing. And if you are bullish in the future of crypto in the US, crypto.com is not even here in the US as far as retail exchange. Just the app. Like how many in Binance? Like, I mean, maybe Binance wants to come in, of course, because they want more money. I mean, it just blows my mind how early we are, and the top contenders, the top players, are still getting that compliance regulation. That's what Brad in the 60-minute interview he was speaking about. Like, just give us clear rules. That's all we need.
I'm going to give you guys a couple bonus things in the video here. Real quick, though, BTCC is the exchange right now I'm working with. So is Oscar. Great 10% sign-on bonus, first-time depositors. Check it out. You can win or actually get bonuses up to $10,000 per user. So check out the link down below in the description. Sign up, get ready, and up to 500x leverage, which is pretty insane as well. No VPN or KYC necessary. Just make sure you're in a place where you can use it. But I want to come back to this overall crypto space. And Oscar, I'm going to have you give me one sleeper that we haven't talked about in this video. One sleeper in the top 100 that you think is going overlooked right now that you think people should take a closer look at.
I mean, I will, of course, say Cronos and other ones, right? But Jasmy.
Jasmy. I like it.
Yeah, Jasmy.
There you go.
It's my Japanese Bitcoin sweetheart. Jasmy is, I mean, guys, the Asian market, they're working. Go to the X. They have so many different updates. Jasmy, shout out to my JB. He's always telling me when it comes to Jasmy. It went all the way to 5.5. 5.5. There it is. Or 60 even. So Jasmy is huge when it comes to volatility. But when it pumps, it pumps.
Yes. Up 513%
That's mine.
on the year.
What's yours?
All right, I'm going to give you one too.
I know.
I'll give you one. I like Jasmy, though. I like Jasmy a lot. We already talked about Ondo. Oh, man. You know what? I'm going to say VeChain.
Okay.
I'm going to say VeChain. And VeChain's all-time high is 27 cents, guys. We're still 80% away from that. This is a huge, massive company that, you know, is working with Walmart China. They're working with luxury brands for supply chain management. Great use case. I'm going to say VeChain. They got a great partnership with the UFC as well. Nice. Rank number 31. We'll go with VeChain. Guys, that's the video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door if you hadn't already. And Oscar, thanks for joining me, brother.
Absolutely, bro.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.